Basta TV ko, Bajan TV. Ngayon ko katod kasi hinay.
Maliit na ko magpalasusan. Maliit na ko magpalasusan. Yay!
Cute.
Okay. Hi. Kasama tayo sa
Dito. Lagay ko coins, baby. He tells his father everything.
Okay, it's easy.
Daddy Kaminari floats up in his proud car. He gets the umbrella. He gets the black belt thing. Now the Rumachan come with us. Visit our home in the clouds. Sit right up. Splash! Splash! Yes! Look up below! Here we go! Whee! Splash! Wow! What happened to this swimming pool? Well, Kaminari-chan made a high dive. He went so high, he landed hard. He landed so hard, he crashed through. Let's take a drive through Kaminari Town. A lot of class girls go up the streets and down. And funny, everything here has two homes. Each building has horns, and an art balloon has horns. A huge clock has horns, and even the traffic lights have horns. Now they're playing Blind Man's Pass, Hopscotch, Jump Rope, Kaminari-chan, Kaminari-chan. What do you choose? Stone, scissors, paper? Jump, win, or lose?
One,
Do you know? Stone, scissors, paper? Yes. Ring toss. And hide and seek. Yum, yum, yummy. Got it. What a lot of food. There's fish, there's meat, all good to eat. What is? Well, there's soup, salad, sandwiches, eggs, ham, fruit, cocoa, cake, cookies, ice cream, jello, ice, and some whiskey for daddy. Thank you, thank you. Arigato, arigato. For the wonderful visit. 楽しいお招き。For the delicious dinner. おいしいごちそう。For the nice present. 素敵なお土産。Thank you, thank you. ありがとう、ありがとう。I had a wonderful time. とても楽しかったです。Wow, look! These cookies have bones.
mag-subscribe kayo, please mag-subscribe kayo sa Chan Traveler. So, yun lang.